What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about Nikos 21 STI that we just finished up. Ryan wanted to make a quick little video, and here we are. We were really excited with the way this car turned out. It was exactly what the customer had requested, and a short rundown on the car. It's got a Misfire Motorsport Stage 2 engine package in it, Force Performance Black turbocharger. It's got our fuel system in it with the D-Works hat, and ETS intercooler, Killer Bee header, nut pipe combo, and bend tuning on the stock ECU. The output ended up being nearly 500 wheel horsepower and nearly 500 foot-pounds of torque to the wheels. The car is an absolute monster, and you know, he wants it. This is exactly what he wanted. He wanted basically like a stock appearing STI that packs a serious punch, and I feel like we delivered just that. So it runs good, it drives like a stock car, but makes 500 horsepower. So I think he's gonna love it. And if you want something similar to this or locating a car to do it to, hit Ryan up and we'll get you taken care of.